Okay guys, so let's show you what's going on with Keith's truck, the little GMC pickup, the 66. Little 66, this was in here, around a year back, and we had done all the welding, bodywork, and roughing. You've seen it on a few videos lately. Because it had sat for around 6 or 7 months over Keith's, we had it in final primer when we gave it to him, but we kind of went over it and just re-primered it. You know, just sometimes we don't like it when things have been sitting around that long, so better to be safe than sorry. But anyway, the cab, it's kind of dark in here. Let's get the lights on. I don't know if that helped any. The cab is all finished off in 400 now, inside and outside. So we just run over it now a 600, and it is ready to go for paint. The box, you know, we re-primed it. You can see the guide code on there. If you're wondering what guide code is you spray it. You can get it in a spray bomb, or you can get it in a powder. And what you do is you apply it, and that's how it sprays out. And when you're blocking, anywhere where you see the black or gray, or whatever color you think this is, left behind, you know you got a low spot. So you can see we've done inside the box there. So that is what's going on with Keith's truck. I got to rip the column out of it today because we've left the column in it because it's such a big truck that it's hard to, you know, you can't turn the wheels on the front by yourself trying to push it around. So we left the column in, but the column has to come out today, and we have to give that to Sean so he can get it prepped and ready to go for paint. That's about the only piece for the interior that's not ready. So that's what's going on there on the GMC. Okay, so we'll take a quick little walk in the shop here. Now, the 78 Ford Crew Cab we've been working on, or extra cab, whatever you want to say here. Anyway, we got Bruce has been going to town working on the bodywork on this one. He got the doors hung back on it yesterday. He got the front fenders on it. The hood is all painted over at the paint shop. And we are going to be dragging this over to the paint booth today. So keep an eye out on your Instagram, because you will see some pictures up there today, because Jared will be working his fancy work. What's going to be going on tonight is this truck is two-tone. So if you can see where the chrome goes right here, and it goes along down this bottom body line, the center of this truck is a dark green. So we will be applying the dark green on it tonight. And then tomorrow, we'll do the lighter green, and then clear coat it, and this baby's done. And there's the lighter green right there. You can see in the doors. Doors are all painted. Door jambs are painted. So looking good. So then this truck will be painted and done, and you'll see it on our Instagram page in the next couple days. Done and finished. Ready for the owner to take away probably this Friday. So that's what's going on here. There's your 78 Ford. What a big beast. Now when he picks up the truck, he's going to be bringing us the box next. I didn't have him bring me the truck and box at once just because I love doing pickups. I think pickups are easy restorations compared to cars. But I hate the fact how big they are, because you got to, when you take them apart, you got the truck in one bay and you got the box in another bay. So trucks just take up 2 bays all the time. 2 bays cost you a lot of money when you're a production shop. You know, you got to keep going here. So I try and get the customers to leave the box at home, bring me the cab first, deal with all that, and then deal with the box later on. So that's what's going on. Thanks to all you guys out there again who are watching these videos. I appreciate it. Appreciate all your comments. Hopefully you guys are, we try and write back as quick as we possibly can. Some people are writing into my Instagram page. I just want to let you know that a lot of times I don't have time to deal with the Instagram. There are times I do. Don't think I don't. I do know what all you guys write in. I see it, but I don't always get to it. So if you're actually trying to contact me, you're best to contact me. Just go to my website and just give me a call. That's the best way it's going to happen, okay? Okay, guys, remember, it's always a good time and old time. Thanks for subscribing. Get out there and get yourself something done. Get on her. See you later.